Alrighty, so in this video, in this amazing challenge, what we are going to do is to write a function that receives a date variable representing some given date, okay, based on our previous examples, very similar. And this function should find and print the next day on the calendar. So if your date is something like 1st of October 2001, let's say that's the current date is simply like, I don't know, 1st of October 2001, then the printed result, the next date, the printed result should be something like 2nd of October 2001. And while that's very simple, there are some cases that students find it hard to make this program and to answer this challenge. So my task to you guys, my request is, before you move on and view the whole solution that I'm giving to you, stop this video, take 20-30 minutes, try to write this program on your own. And once you are ready, once you are done, proceed with this video and make sure and see where you did one thing and I did another thing and try to understand where is the difference. And if everything works correctly, then I think you are proceeding very well. And if not, make your notes, write your remarks, and try on practicing even further. Alright, okay, and now I hope you are back and you are full of energy and you gave it a shot on your own. So what we want to do right now, I will still leave everything that I've created previously, the typedef struct date, as well as the print date function, as well as the input date that is responsible for getting an input from the user. And what I'm going to use in the int main function is simply, let's say, to create a new date, simple as that. And what will be the type of this function? So first of all, let's say that the type of this function will be void. So void print next date, date dt, for example, okay, receiving a date variable. And now what we have to do is to think about the logic behind the scenes as to how to find the next day, and also taking into account that all of these days, okay, may also come to this point, 31, 12, at the months and the year and so on. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to use something like that. dt.day equals dt.day plus 1. Okay, we are incrementing just by 1. So dt.day plus plus would also work here, okay? And now we are going to ask a simple question. So awesome. I think that now we've managed to cover everything here. Also, guys, know that there are a couple actually of ways to solve this exercise. Also by taking into account the exact months of months that have 30 days a month and months that have 31 days, but the function itself simply will be a little bit longer and you will simply have to use probably the best way will be to use switch cases and to take January as having 31 days and then taking the next month's 30 and so on and so forth, and taking into account that there may be once in 4 years, right, 29 days in February and so on. But that's not something that we are going to do right now. What we wanted just to see is kind of logic of how you find out and print the next day. And last thing that we have to add here is something like that. So printf the next day is, okay, and you simply use the function print date to print our dt, our updated date, and there you go. So guys, run this program on your own, take some notes, right? Let me know if everything worked for you correctly, if you have managed to make this exercise successfully on your own, if you found this information useful. And also, what I wish you, as always, have a great day, and keep on practicing. I'll see you next time.